Your hair fridge light is on, but it's not cooling? Don't panic. First, confirm the power cord is securely plugged into a working outlet. Visually inspect the power cord for any damage. Next, check your home's circuit breaker or fuse box. A tripped breaker or blown fuse can cut power to the fridge's cooling components, even if the light still works. Reset the breaker or replace the fuse if needed. If the fridge has a temperature control dial, ensure it's set to the appropriate cooling level, not set too low or turned off accidentally. Finally, make sure nothing is blocking the fridge vents inside the unit. Blocked vents prevent proper air circulation. If basic checks don't solve the problem, the evaporator fan motor could be faulty. This fan circulates cold air throughout the refrigerator. If it's not running, the fridge won't cool properly. Visually inspect the fan safely to check for obstructions or damage. Another common issue is dirty condenser coils. These coils release heat from the refrigerator. When covered in dust, the fridge struggles to cool efficiently. Find the coils usually at the back or bottom of the unit and clean them thoroughly using a vacuum cleaner and brush. The start relay or overload protector on the compressor could also be faulty. This component helps the compressor start up properly. If it's defective, the compressor won't turn on at all. This requires professional diagnosis and repair. Finally, the compressor itself may be failing. This is the most serious issue and often requires professional repair or complete refrigerator replacement. Signs of compressor failure include loud operating noises, inadequate cooling, excessive energy consumption, visible refrigerant leaks, and unusually long cooling cycles. When working on any electrical components, always use extreme caution and disconnect the refrigerator from power completely. This video is not a substitute for professional assistance. These repairs should not be attempted without proper experience and training.